Hi, this is going to be a short and quick video. Welcome. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Looking for higher paying data entry jobs you can do from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you real remote data entry opportunities hiring now, plus tips to get hired. International home data entry jobs let you enter, update, and manage data for companies across different countries, all from your own laptop. You work with spreadsheets, databases, and digital systems, and most roles are completely remote. Please note, I always treat listings with extremely high pay, like $250 per hour, cautiously. They may be placeholders or errors. There are different ways to earn more than basic data entry. These roles often pay better and are in high demand. Word processing specialist, formatting and entering documents, up to $94,000 per year. Data support specialist, data management and reporting, $48,000 to $70,000 plus e-commerce. Data specialist, manage listings for online shops, $35,000 to $60,000 plus. Specialized transcription or coding related roles are often higher pay. Where to find these jobs? You can find international data entry jobs on platforms like ZipRecruiter, FlexJobs, Upwork, Fiverr, and other remote job boards. Now, be careful. There are many fake listings out there promising ridiculously high pay. If a job asks you to pay money upfront or guarantees massive earnings with no skills, it's probably a scam. Tips to get hired. Here are quick tips to stand out. Boost your typing speed and accuracy. Learn Excel or Google Sheets. Highlight relevant software skills. Create a professional profile on job sites. If you want links to the most legit remote data entry job boards, comment jobs below and I'll send them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone looking for work from home opportunities.